Welcome back. We're going to be doing a noodle based meal today, and we've also got an egg, some onion, obviously cheese, a couple of slices of ham. This may sound like a weird meal, but it is so tasty, it's so easy to do, but also so filling. It's one of my new favourites. Come across this from I think it was a Korean or Japanese camping channel where the chap was doing it in his motorhome. Let's crack on with it and see how we get on. Not everyone realises that you can actually cook these with boiling water rather than putting them in a saucepan. I'm just going to leave that like that. That bit doesn't stay on there, but it will steam it a little bit. Just going to slice the onion. Don't want it too chunky this time. What we're aiming to do is make something similar to an omelette, but with noodles. And you'd be surprised how tasty this is. Ham I'm using is, I suppose you call it sandwich ham, quite thin slice, not quite wafer. Bit of cheese as always. So I've just strained all the water off the noodles. I'm going to add in the onion and the ham. I also added some garlic as well. How could I forget the garlic? And give it a good mix. Whisk up that egg a little bit. I don't remember the guy on the video doing this, but I'm just going to add a bit of milk to it as well, just a touch. Kind of like an omelette. That's what I'm going to call it. That's what I'm going to call it, is a noodle omelette. So now that's mixed in. Let's add that to the noodles. I mean, these noodles are filling anyway, but this is a really filling meal, I find. Just going to add the cheese now. Now cheese is added, I'm just going to mix it all in and season it. Some pepper, some salt, just to give it a bit of a tang. A bit of sweet chilli sauce. Right, now all that is mixed in, I'm going to clean up the cooking area and then get the ridge monkey out. I'm going to do it on the ridge monkey again purely because then I can turn it like I did with the omelette. So let's get it all sorted. Right, we want it on kind of a medium heat, medium to low I'd say. Bit of oil. So when we put the mixture in the griddle, what we need to do is spread it out into all four corners, and then it will cook. You get to cook for about 2 minutes each side. You don't want You don't want the noodles to burn at all. That's all that in there. Right, back in 2 minutes. Check. Yeah, it's coming out nicely now. Oh yeah. I've just flipped it over to the first side that we started cooking, because now when I flip it over, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of cheese. You can see how it's cooking, and it's not burned, but it's cooked. These are so tasty, but so filling. Don't be tempted to, put more than 1 pack of noodles in or 2 eggs or anything, because they are so filling. I mean, could be 2 people, I suppose, but let's have a look. Yeah, do you know what? I know I've put cheese on it, but I'm going to flick it over, just so that cheese can get a real good coating on it. Yeah, it's coming out nice. Okay, not burnt. Just cut nicely. Turn the heat off on that. And just set the heat within the ridge monkey cook it now. Let's see what we got. You see that? There we are. Great. A little bit of cheese on the top of the monkey, but do you know what? I'm not going to waste it. That will just cool down onto the main part of it. Hopefully this should slide out. There we are. Perfect. There we go. Now I don't know what this type of meal is called, but it's very tasty. It's basically just noodles, ham, onion, an egg, 1 egg, a tiny bit of milk, and cheese, and yeah, so it's just beautiful, beautiful. Look. I hope you enjoyed that. I've tried to make the videos a little bit shorter. I was worried that people were going to get bored having to watch a 17-minute video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, and I will leave the recipe in the description, and also chapters, so that if you want to skip some of the parts, then you can do so. Alright, catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.